Just walk away. Put the Penosi. Put the Penosi. Put the Penosi. Put the Penosi. Review kanya catch. And then nag-release mo sila. Nag-release mo sila.
Umaalis, lumalabas.
Let's take the outpost. Let's take the outpost. Come side outpost. Defensive tanks watch my gates. Defensive tanks watch my gates. Pulling gates on the ano. Okay, spread that. Spread inside of the outpost. Spread inside of the outpost. Spread inside of the outpost. Lalaban yan, lalaban yan. Can someone mount up? Defensive tank, scout that. Ano gagawin nila?
Okay.
Pwede pa invite?
Ha?
Pa-invite please.
Hindi ko kayo
May
naririnig. Ano?
monopoly dito.
Invite.
Full party. 2020.
Kaya nga na, ano?
Full party na to.
Sige.
Pwede
Mute ka muna, Blue.
Na?
Mute ka muna.
Ay, sige,
Separate sa
sorry.
MJ, wala pa.
Thank you.
Andito na ako.
Dito sa MJ. Sige, separate na lang.
Nasa clips na ako. Ay, pics na ako.
Sa
Sorry.
west nila, 20 sabihin.
Sige lang, we'll take the outpost. Eh di sa atin yung legendary kung ano nila lumaban. Wala magdadrop ng ano wala magdadrop ng pag dito.
Ito na sila.
Nag-walk na.
Dito lang sila.
Hindi.
Wala, nakamount.
Sige lang. Walang magdadrop ng iya sa boss. Take the outpost, please and W's everyone. Scout huwag nyo kami hayaan mabag. Please and W's na, walang mag-i everyone, walang mag-i.
The Silas.
Everyone drop all your E in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sila, kalaban.
Continue. Please and W's ulit.
Mounted and southwest.
Sige, we're taking the outpost. Focus the boss. We're taking the outpost. Sige, free outpost. Everyone, angle kayo sa loob ng outpost, huwag kayo sa gates.
Smart na sila dito. Ay, hindi pala nagtitake.
Sige, hayaan mo. Sa atin yung outpost, sige. It's 1 minute 30 seconds.
Dismounted.
Someone cap. Walk out sa the outpost, southwest. Walk out sa the outpost. Kap tuloy nyo yung cap.
Nakap na.
Okay, spread. We're looking west. Pag-ragin yung boots lang ka. Everyone, let's engage this bedrock. Bedrock ako. Sige, walk west. Huwag kayo sa choke. Laban naman sila, di ba? Sige. Spread.
Yan na.
Yo, hold on the choke Everyone let's engage on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito lang, sa east side. Of the chocolate. Wala mo na. Let's wait for the engage. Wala silang full engage. Walk down the choke. Everyone walk down the choke west. Roll them in. Roll them in again. God damn. Roll them in everyone. Sige, we're gonna engage 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Look lang. Sige, everyone, north side. We're gonna engage north side. North side. Ano to? Nag-stick sila? Sige, come shot na lang. South. Gold in south.
May hands na
Engage side, west side. 5,
Itong block
4,
na to.
3, 2, 1. Delete. Wala, gold in. Hands ba? May hands pa rin ba?
Wala,
Harap siya yan eh.
Ano yung blob na nasa outpost? West side.
Probably ganito.
Sige, walk west side. Sige, we have time. Walk west side, we're gonna engage 5 seconds we're gonna full wipe them here. 5 seconds spread ako rin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold that. Kill that. Finish the kills, then we wala, finish the kills na. West side. Sige, finish the kills, let's finish this kill.
Hounds at the outpost.
Sige,
Hounds at the outpost.
let's finish the kills muna. Diabolero. Sige, everyone. Come here. Finish. Patayin nyo na naman yung guildmaster nila. Kill this guildmaster. Para umuwi na sila, then we can mount up. We're gonna engage 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, naka-healer. Patay healer. Huwag na kayo mag-catch, Ben.
Outpost.
Kill this healer na lang, kill this healer. Yo, can you kill this healer?
Outpost.
Yan, kill din yung mount up. Kill din yung mount up. Mount up.
Level 5 this area hounds 20 ah.
Ano, huwag natin labanan. We got to fight naman here, Darkstar. Mount up, then let's go northwest. Mount up.
Hindi yata nila nakuha, pre. Hindi nila nakuha, pwede pa natin kunin yung laman.
Come northeast. Lalabanan yata tayo. Come northeast. Everyone northeast. Kukunin yata nila ito. Open ba?
Hindi pa.
Hindi. Kunin nyo natin.
Boys, ito crowns nyo boys oh. Crown nyo
Sige,
boys, crown
Rock is here. Sige, let's fight. 5%, diba?
Yeah, 5%.
Wala naman tayo masyadong napatay sa ano eh. Sige, let's fight. Sat. Saan sila?
Ito, 20 oh, 5%. Dismount
Okay,
ito.
Nag-OC.
Come here, huwag kayo mag-dismount sarap ko. Baka yun, dismount. Okay, everyone dismounted. Okay, everyone looks out and west. Look south and west. Come back south. Walk south, we're gonna hit 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. Never mind, west, everyone west. Can someone wrap the outpost? West side, up the choke, Let everyone cross the choke. Help everyone. Perfect. He's in the backline. Okay, bababa ng choke dyan. Come to west, southwest. Help us. Defensive tank southeast. So they're gonna engage. They're engaging. Nice one. Everyone look east. Never mind, north south. Find their enigmatic. Nice kill. Everyone looks out. Looks out. On the healers. Never mind, east side. 3, 2, 1. East side. Can you kill that? Enigmatic yan. Lahat yung left first. Come west side up the choke. West side of the choke. I'm coming duty. West side up kayo ulit. Dumadaan ba sila? Okay. We're still good. Come west side. West side. Help everyone. Sige. 10 seconds we engage. 10 seconds we engage. Bakit bigay nga ng pangalan ng enigmatic nila? Before engage. Okay, everyone. Look left. Side. 5, 4, di pa, 2, 1. Ito yung ano. Shit, nakapag-enigmatic na naman siya. Si Fluffy. Sige, come west side of the chocolate. I'm gonna try to mark him. Asan si Fluffy?
Wrap around, help me out. Nasa akin yung
Yeah.
loot.
Sige. Teka.
May mahabol sa akin isa.
Sige, we're gonna pull push. Try kong dumisa. Everyone east side. Si Fluffy, pa-silence si Fluffy Kizu. Si Fluffy, ayun yung shield. Everyone look east side. Never mind, napupush kayo north. Everyone comes out. Pakakipahal si Fluffy Kizu in 5, 3, 2, 1. Directly lang dito sa front natin.
Demons, may demons.
Come west side. Okay, we're good. Go down. Parang nasa number. Help MJ. Help everyone. Help stolen. Nakatay ka? Ricky?
Hindi pa ako.
Help MJ. Where are you, MJ?
Wala. Patay na ako.
Everyone walks out. Funnel them in. Fluffy, find Kizu, find it. Everyone look right. Work in the side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
East side.
They're
Come
engaging.
inside. Yo, help that. Shit. Everyone spread. Everyone. It's nice. You good, Ricky?
Yeah, we're good.
It's not high. We got the outpost. We lost the fight. Pero we got the
4M.
Okay lang.
Naubos mo, Ricky.
Naiiwan ko na lang 100 something.
20 no? Nice.
Ayun, galing. Wala tayong life first. Sabi ko. Panalo sana tayo.
Dami yung healer eh.
Yo, yan yung sinasabi ko.
Limang healer yun,
Ako.
limang holy.
Hindi ko alam kung mapapagod.
Wala tayong oo.
Wala tayong nature.